students, how are you? Hope you are fine. I am also fine. Today we are going to discuss about conditionals. Do you know what is conditionals? Look, there is the definition of conditionals. Look, what is conditional? Conditional is the subordinate clause that begins with if or unless. That means we use a lot of sentence in our daily life with if or unless. In Bengali, jodi. A lot of sentence in which we use conditions. If you come, I shall go. This is the conditions. Then, how many times is it? You know, there are 3 types of conditionals. How many types of conditionals? We know there are 3 types of conditionals. Look at the chart, please. There are 3 types of conditional. First conditional, second conditional, third conditional. Repeat. First conditional, second conditional, third conditional. So we use a lot of sentence in our daily life in first conditionals. So what is the structure of first conditionals? First conditionals, that means if clause. At first we use if, then subject, then verb 1, that means base verb or main verb. If clause, main verb, that means the subordinate clause will be future tense. That means subject, then can or may or will or must or shall, then verb base form or verb 1. That means if clause present form, then main clause will be can, may, will, must or shall, then verb present form. I am giving you an example. Please look at the board. If you come, I shall go. This is the first condition because there is the verb of present form or main verb, and then the main clause, future tense. Another example, if you study regularly, you will make a good result. This is the present form of verb, and then this is the future tense. Is it clear? If clause present, so main clause future indefinite. Present indefinite, here is the future indefinite. Then look at the second condition. If clause past indefinite, that means verb past form, verb 2 past form. Then the main clause past conditional, that means subject, then could, might, would, then verb present form. If clause past tense, then main clause verb will be could, might, would, then verb present form. Here is an example. Look at the second conditional example. If you came, I would or could or might could. Here is came. Came is the verb of past form. Past form, verb could. This is why here we use would, could or might and present form of verb. We can use any one of the three. Would, could or might. In example number 2, if you study well, study is the past form of study. You would or could or might make a good result. As here is the past form, there we use would or could or might and verb at present form. Another example, unless you gave me money, I could not buy the book. Here, gave is the past form of give, and this is why we use could and buy. So this is the examples of second conditional. Now we are going to learn about the third conditional. Third conditional, that means if clause will be past perfect tense, then the main clause will be past perfect conditional. That means if clause will be subject, then had, then verb 3, verb past participle, and the main clause subject plus could, might or would plus have plus verb past participle. This is the structure of the third conditional. That is the example of third conditional. Third conditional example at first, if you had reached earlier, you would have got the past. Here, had reached is the past perfect tense. This is why here we use would have got the past. Here is past perfect and then the past perfect conditional. Would have, then verb past participle got. B number B, unless you had come in time, had come, you would have missed the class. Would have missed. This is the past perfect tense. Then here is the past perfect conditional. Would have missed. We also express conditional, third conditional with had. Had. At the very beginning of the sentence, had. This is also conditional. And here is the past participle form of verb. Had I been rich, I would have helped the poor. Would have helped. This is the past perfect, had been. And this is the past perfect conditional, would have helped. So, dear students, if any problem you will face, please contact in my cell phone 01915 12121. Today we discuss about the conditionals. So I hope you have understood the conditionals. Yet you have any problem, you will contact with me in my cell phone. Till then, Allah Hafiz.